Good morning, students. I hope you are doing well, and congratulations. Now you are in standard 10. So today I am going to discuss chapter number 1, that is gravitation. Today we will discuss about different types of force, effects of force, gravitational force, importance of gravitational force, circular motion, centripetal force, and Newton's law of motion. So one by one we will start here. So first of all, some basics. We perform many activities in our day-to-day life in which we apply force. Some of them are lifting a box, cycling, hammering a nail into a wall, climbing a staircase. In these all examples, force is being exerted. If I say, have you seen the force? What is your answer? I think no. You can't see the force. Always remember, you can't see the force, but you can see the effect of the force. Okay? So there are many effects of force. Number 1, a force can set a stationary object in a motion. A force can change the speed of the body. It can change the direction of motion of a body. It can change direction as well as speed of the object. It can change the shape and size of the body on which it acts. There are many types of force. For examples, muscular force, mechanical force, gravitational force, magnetic force, frictional force, electrostatic force, etc. But this chapter we are going to discuss gravitational force in detail. Always remember, whenever we will talk about gravitational force, there will be masses. Similarly, if we talk about electrostatic force, there will be a charge. If we will talk about magnetic force, there will be a magnet. So, what is gravitational force? The force applied by the earth to pull objects towards itself is called gravitational force. It acts on every object which are present on the earth or the object which are present in the universe. That's why gravitational force is called universal force. Now discovery of force. Discovery of gravitational force. Gravitational force is discovered by Sir Isaac Newton. He discovered the force by seeing an apple falls from a tree on the ground. He wondered why all the apples falls vertically downwards, and why not at any angle to the vertical, and why not they go in horizontal direction. After many analysis, he came to the conclusion that Earth attracts the objects towards the center of the Earth, and the direction of force is towards center of the Earth. Actually, he was sitting under the tree. In front of him, apple falls down. And finally, he said there must be a force which was acting on the apple. That's why that apple came on the ground. Here you may ask, Earth attracts all the objects, then why not moon or a satellite falls on the surface of Earth? The reason is the satellite or the moon, they revolve in a particular orbit. They revolve in a particular orbit with certain speed. That's why, since speed is there in the moon or in the satellites, that's why they do not fall down on the Earth. If moon is top, they will come on the surface of the Earth. But since there is a motion, they are revolving the Earth. As you all know, moon is revolving the Earth. They have speed, so they are continuously moving in their orbit. Okay. Now, what are the importance of Earth's gravitational force? I want to tell you the importance of gravitational force. Number one, it holds the atmosphere. If it is absent, living being cannot be survive. Third, in the absence of Earth gravitational force, all the object would have floated. If you throw a ball in the absence of gravitational force, they will never return on the surface of ground. They will go in the space. So these all are the importance of Earth's gravitational force. In previous grade, I have explained you Newton's law of motion. Newton have given 3 laws. Number 1, the object which are in rest, they will continue in rest, and the object which are in motion, they will continue in motion until you don't apply any external force. Newton's second law of motion. The rate of change of momentum is directly proportional to the applied force, and the change of momentum occurs in the direction of force. Newton's third law of motion. Every action force have equal and opposite reaction force which act simultaneously. Understood? Now come to the next topic, that is circular motion. So what is circular motion? So let me define first. If an object moves in a circular orbit, then it is called circular motion of the object. There are two types of circular motion. Number one, uniform circular motion and non-uniform circular motion. Uniform circular motion. In uniform circular motion, objects cover equal distance in equal interval of time. But in case of non-uniform circular motion, an object covers unequal distance in equal interval of time. Okay? Now come to the next topic, that is centripetal force. Centripetal force means center seeking. The force which acts on any object moving along a circle and it is directed towards the center of the circle is called centripetal force. If you want to find the direction of the object moving in a circular motion, we need to draw the tangent. It means tangents give the direction of the object at any point. It means what? Let us consider one object is in circular motion. One object is in circular motion. And if you want to find the direction of the object, then you have to draw the tangent. What you have to do? You have to draw the tangent on that particular point on which you want to find the direction. Okay? I want to give you one example. We all know that moon revolves in their orbit. At the center there is earth and here is moon. They are revolving in an orbit. Here gravitational force will be the centripetal force. Here gravitational force will be the centripetal force. centripetal force always acts towards the center of the earth. Second example I want to take. If you take the example of our solar system, just imagine at the center there is sun and all the planets are revolving in their respective orbits. Here sun gravitational force will be centripetal force. So you have to understand the concept. Understood? Now your next concept is ellipse. Then what is ellipse? Ellipse is a curve obtained when a cone is cut by an inclined plane. It has two focal points. Always remember, ellipse have two focal points, and the sum of the distances to the two focal points from every point on the curve is constant. It means what? It means, I want to tell you. Now move to the notebook. Dear students, I will give you all the content whatever I explained today. So I revise. Today we discussed about different types of force, effects of force, what is gravitational force, importance of Earth's gravitational force, circular motion, discovery of gravitational force, Newton's law of motion. In next lecture, we will discuss Kepler's law. Whatever I explained you, I will give you the notes in your respective divisions. Okay? Thank you.